In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo V40 key fob. This is really easy to do at home. All you'll need to get it done is a CR2032 battery, which you can find online. And if you'd like to pick one up on Amazon, there will be a link down there in the description that'll take you over there where you can find these for a good price. And the only other thing you will need is a special type of screwdriver, which is a Torx screwdriver. If I can get the focus here, I'm going to show you the screw on the back here. You can see that star-shaped screw and the screwdriver I have here. You will need one of those to remove this screw, and I will be using a Torx size T8. So if you don't have one of these, there will also be information in the description to get one of these on Amazon for a good price as well, so you can go check that out. So the first step, the only difficult part here, is actually removing this screw. Just going to remove it and set it to the side. From here, we don't just want to snap this open. There are these two tabs on the top. What you want to do is kind of get it open and then push it up off of those tabs. And now we have access to the battery. I'm just going to use this screwdriver to gently get under the battery and pry it up. There we go. When you're putting in your new battery, your CR2032 battery, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And you'll just snap that into place here. Positive side down. Now we can put these two halves back together, and I will be sliding this on top of the tabs and getting that kind of pushed into place before just squeezing it back together. And of course, we have to put the screw back in there. So, just twist that in, and that's really it. That's the end of the process. You have a new battery in there that should last you for a very long time, and you should be good to go. So I hope the video helped you out. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel, and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.